All right, guys. Today we're working on lowering this baby. We got some Truhart coilovers, and I don't know how do you reverse the camera. I don't know what people be doing, but anyway. So for right now, we unloosened this bolt right here, that bolt, and then we're gonna take the bolt right here. We're gonna take that nut off that holds the bottom of the shock in place. And then up top here, if you can see right here, we're gonna take these two loose right here and go from there. We also have a rear camber bar from Truhart that we're gonna replace. Yeah, I'll be right back. All right, so basically we have to take this off. And what I did was I put this on the floor and got this supported. But I had this over here and this right here. And then I took this and I brought it towards me to break the nut. So we have to take this and put it on here. So that's that nut right there. Ouch. This whole thing comes up? Oh no. Yeah, okay. So do we want to use this?
Pretty sure we'll use the top piece.
You just want to use the top piece?
Yeah, it's already because this is to cover that too.
Because this is already covering it?
Yeah.
All right, so that's what we want to do, right? And this is the new nut. I wind up taking the old cover that I have there on the floor and placing it right over the new cover, and then put the bracket back on, and I tighten the nut. Okay, let's see. So I'll turn this the other way. All right, so I found a little Allen key setup that I can use. And I guess we'll make this go down till it can't go no more. See, everybody shows videos of them installing the coilovers, but they're missing a lot of freaking details. So I figured I'll show you the hands-on freaking details. Okay, that be it. So that's my setup for that. All right, so that's good right there. So now we need to get that big bolt out and drop it. Okay. So now we're gonna take out this big bolt, and hopefully that should drop the spring down. Yeah. It's bigger than the 9/16, so I think that's all right, so basically I took this nut off this right here from off the bottom, okay? And then use my foot to push it down and pull the spring out. And I guess, I made a new one. All right, and then
Took the old seal.
does this even go in there?
No, probably not.
It doesn't work. A little curvy thing there. Does it have a little curvy thing on the bottom? Yeah, somewhat right about.
back down. This is part.
All right, guys, we got one on, but we realized that the cover that it came with, it doesn't cover the whole shock well. So we're gonna take everything back off. Everything's still loose. I didn't really tighten anything. And we're gonna install the stock cover back on, so it won't be exposed to any dust. And we'll be right back. But as you can see how low we dropped it, right? Compared, and it still has to settle compared to that right there. Be right back. We had to redo the fronts and make it a little bit lower. And here we go. It's raining, so my phone might get wet a little bit. Looking good. There it is. There it is. That's what's up. I'm getting out the rain. Bye.